Grant got a Gordon.
And the dragon.
And Ian got a book. Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon.
Whose is this? I'm opening.
Look, Ian, Grant, show me what you got, Grant. Show me what you got.
Gordon.
It's a Gordon. It looks
Yeah.
exactly like Thomas.
And where are your presents?
We have
Presents?
presents too.
Yeah.
Open them later.
Ian, who is this?
This is for Grant.
A large
This is for
one.
you, Ian.
Mine. Ian, what is I'll turn my bowl off. What is it? I'm opening my presents. I'll play with I got the big present too. What is this? A game.
What is it?
Oh. But I'm opening
What
it.
is this?
Gordon. Look. Gordon.
Magnets.
Magnets.